So first of all, here's some information. When you have the line, like this is probably y equals x, when you graph an equation in a coordinate plane, you can use slope-intercept method to graph it, or you could use intercepts, or you could plot points. There's lots of different ways. But once you have the line, that's it, you're done. For an inequality, you're not done once you have the line. That's just the boundary line. And then you have to shade in either above or below the line, and you have to decide whether the line should be a dashed line, or we could call it dotted, or a solid line. So in the last assignment, the exploring linear inequalities, you looked at that and when you would use those different things. Here's a summary of what you should have learned during that exploration. So you can look back here and make sure that you know which part to shade and what kind of line to make. Number 5, 3x minus 4y. And then it's got a greater than or equal, which my keyboard doesn't have. But in Desmos, I don't know if you can see it, at the very bottom left there's a show keyboard or keypad, and one of the options there is the sign that I need, the greater than or equal. And then I can type 12. So if I look at this, you can, if you want, you can change the color of the shading. We certainly don't need to do that, but if you feel like it, you can in Desmos. Once you're happy with your graph, I see that it has a solid line and I shaded below. This one would be hard to tell if I shade above or below because it's not y by itself on the left side. I would have to pick a test point like 0, 0, see if it's true or false. So let's do 0, 0. 0 minus 0 is 0, but 0 is not greater than or equal to 12. That would be false, so that means I don't want to shade the part with the 0, 0. That's how you do it if you're doing this by hand. So instead of a screenshot for this one, I'm going to share the link. So share the graph, then it gives you this link, copy it, then come down here and paste it. Hit a space bar one time. Now it's a live link and now I can just click on it after you turn it in.